Hello, just a quick one today. Been out with a dog, just listening to the scanner, listening to RF Valley as I heard a few planes up and about this morning, not been out as yet. And I know some Chinooks knocking about. I know there was some F-15s earlier on today apparently. Whatever took off this morning at 8:15 this morning nearly blew the Caravan away. I don't know what the hell that was, but it was big and it was fast, so I'd love to know. Not found any info as yet, but never mind. Just waiting on the kettle to get a brew and we shall crack on. So we'll catch you all very shortly. Like I say, we've got a scanner on. It's gone quiet again now, just the tower, sorry. And just sort of taking it from there really. Quite a pleasant day out, a bit breezy, but I can deal with that. The sun's out, that's the main thing. And yeah, just watching the wildlife. I'm sure, I'm turning you around. Right, I don't know if you can see this line of trees here. There's either some hawks or some kites over there. I was watching them earlier. And we'll see what happens. I know there's a lot of crows about. For some reason, even over on Anglesey, there's seagulls everywhere. Don't understand it. Never mind. Right, catch you later. Bye. So far this week, nice and sunny. Sight all those dogs. Just out with a little one. Fair amount of aircraft out today. Not seen any. I know some Chinooks. There was an F-15 knocking about earlier. And obviously you got the Hawks and the Texans, which were trading planes. Oh, lovely, hey, a bit breezy. I can do that. Can't see the light today. Too far covered. There's our good Caravan down there with a little blue landing. Anyway, catch you later. Busy on site. They've been trimming all the trees back. Oh, it's nice and clear all here. I'm now behind our Caravan, because you know I like doing my fires. They've left me a tree, which is very kind of them. Dead standing, nice and brittle, I've already had a play, and an absolute ton of sticks. I think they're trying to tell me something. I'm not complaining. I've certainly used all this lot up. Look at it all. There's none anywhere else apart from here. I think they're definitely trying to tell me something. Never mind. Still nothing flying. Quite a bit of traffic about today. It was quiet last night. And filling my water up. Get some washing up done. Get myself a brew. Figure out what we're going to do for the day. I will. Enjoy.